Thank you. For the record, Darryl Perry, CEO of Liberty Lobby LLC. I've passed out some written testimony. I'm very pleased that the former speaker did mention the Innocence Project. I will very happily be representing them in the New York City Marathon this fall. And they just celebrated their 200th exoneration. Since they were founded 25 years ago, one organization has been directly involved in helping 200 people get exonerated for crimes they did not commit. I would ask all of you to take just half an hour and listen to one episode of the podcast Wrongfully Convicted, where one of the original members of the Innocence Project hosts a podcast every week where he interviews people who spent 10, 15, 20, 30, 38 years or more in jail for crimes they did not commit. I listened to an episode on the way up here this morning of a man who spent 38 years in prison for a rape that he did not commit. And one of the reasons he spent so long is a lot of the evidence had been destroyed. And they admitted that they destroyed most of the evidence, but it was 12 years after he first contacted the Innocence Project that someone with the prosecutor's office said, oh, wait a second, we happen to have a couple of hairs that we did not destroy. And it was because of those hairs he was able to ultimately be exonerated for a crime he did not commit. And if just one innocent person winds up being prosecuted or murdered for a crime they did not commit, I consider that to be fundamentally immoral, and to force anyone here who opposes killing people to pay to murder someone, I consider that to be the ultimate immoral act. So thank you for listening to me. Please read the handouts that I gave, read my written testimony, and pass SB593.